Hi everybody and welcome to my exercise tutorial. So today we are doing a dive bomber push-up. I will explain to you what and how we need to do this exercise to be the most successful, and also regression of this exercise for those of you who are not as advanced as this advanced version. Dive bomber push-up exercise are great for strengthening your chest, your shoulders, and also your triceps in the first phase of the movement. On the second phase, it's really good for your core and core strength and stability, and also the back muscles will have to work. Okay, so let's go now how we're gonna execute this exercise. So first, you're starting into down dog position or in a pike position, but don't go like into the very strict and high pike. Go more into the down dog facing position. Have your legs a little bit wider apart. This will make it a little bit easier to execute this exercise. So now the first part is you start sliding down with bending your elbows, and then you're going to go up into the up dog. Make sure that the thighs are also lifted and arms are straight, and you're extending the elbows and squeezing your triceps as well. And on the reverse, squeeze your core and then bend and push yourself back into the initial position. Whew, that's a pretty challenging exercise, but with the practice, I'm sure you can do it. So let's go now into the little bit faster movement. So engage your core, sliding forward. Good. Go up into the straight position, pause a little bit, and then reverse the movement. Exhale, and then push it, and again exhale. And so on. So that's a full advanced version of the dive bomber push-up. You can also do the Hindu push-up, which is a little bit easier. So in that position, we're gonna start in the same as downward facing dog, sliding forward into the up dog, and then you just push your hips up and you land again into the dive bomber. Into the down dog. And again down. This is a little bit easier variation which you can practice, and I'm gonna give you the easiest one also beginners can do, starting from the knees, and we are just sliding forward. We're landing here and then sliding backwards and so on. And this is your dive bomber push-up, and you can perform anywhere from 8 to 15 reps or more if you want to challenge yourself for about 3 sets. And this exercise is amazing also for stretching your calves, your hamstrings and your glutes muscles at the same time when we are doing the first phase of this exercise. And you can include this amazing exercise into your bodyweight training when you're targeting your upper body. Like I said, it will work your chest, it will work your anterior delts, triceps, it will work your core and back on the reverse position. All right, thank you so much. See you next time.